In this video, let us find mode of group data. We are given the height of 10 students and we have to find the mode of the data. We can see that the data is ungrouped. So to find the mode, we look at all the observations and find that the observation 150 occurs 3 times. So the mode of this data is 150. Now let us find the mode of group data. Here the table shows the age of the patients admitted in the hospital during the year. We have to find the mode. We cannot find the mode by just looking at the frequency, but for finding the mode, we will use a formula. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let us write this table vertically like this. First, let us find the modal class. For finding the modal class, we look at all the frequencies given and locate the class with the maximum frequency. So here we have the maximum frequency as 230 and the corresponding modal class is 35 to 45. Lower class limit of the modal class is 35. So we will substitute L as equal to 35 and F1 is 230 because it is the frequency of the modal class. F0 will be the frequency of the class preceding the modal class and F2 will be the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Substituting this, we will get 35 into F1 will be 230 minus 210 upon 2 into 230 minus 210 minus 150. And for finding H, now H is the size of the class interval. So we can look at the first class interval 5 to 15. So 15 minus 5 equal to 10, which is H, which is the size of the class interval. So now solving this, we get 35 plus 20 upon 100 into 10. So this is going to be 35 plus 2, which is equal to 37. Mode of the given data is 37. If you want to understand maths concepts, you can join our one-to-one online coaching. We have revision sessions for grade 9 and 10 so that you can learn and excel at your pace. For grade 9 and 10, we have chapter-wise study material. For grade 10 CBSE maths, we have sample papers, both standard and basic, and we have past solved board papers. For more details, log into our website schoolexamprep.in or WhatsApp or call 944-994-8591. Let us continue with the video and solve a question where we have a missing frequency and mode of the distribution is given to us as 57.5. Let us now find the modal class. For this, we look at all the frequencies. The maximum frequency is 16. So the corresponding modal class is 50 to 60. So L will be equal to 50. Now let us write the formula. So mode equal to 50 plus. Now this is F1, this is F0 and this is F2 and H will be 40 minus 30, so it will be 10. Now substituting, we get 50 plus 16 minus 10 upon 2 into 16 minus 10 minus x into 10. Mode is already given to us as 57.5. So this will be 6 upon 32 minus 10 minus x into 10. So we'll have 7.5 equal to 60 upon 22 minus x. So let us solve this. We will get 165 minus 7.5x equal to 60. So 7.5x equal to 105. So here x equal to 14. So the missing frequency for the class interval 60 to 70 is 14. Thanks for watching.